In this video, I'll show you how to set up automated out-of-office responses in Slack in just 5 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Slack tips. First, open Slack via your browser or desktop app and log in using your email, Google, or Apple account. Once logged in, select the workspace where you want to set up the automated response. Next, click the down arrow next to the workspace name and navigate to Tools and Settings, then select Customize Workspace. Here, you can tailor responses and notifications for your workspace. Now, click on Slackbot, Slack's built-in assistant, then choose Add New Response. This is where you'll create your automated out-of-office message. Include key details like the dates you're away, an alternative, contact, or any important instructions for your colleagues. Once saved, your automated response is live. Take a moment to test it to ensure it works exactly how you want. This way, you can step away from Slack confidently, knowing your team stays informed. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automated out-of-office reply in Slack. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Slack tutorials.